Assalamu alaikum. I am Kazi Nasif Nusair and we are doing interview regarding technology in securities. So here's my friends. Please guys be introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. Myself Mohammad. I'm in Jian. Currently I'm studying in Kulia of ICT. It's my second year, first sem.
And I'm Nasik Sami Khan. I'm also from KICT and I'm also doing my second year, first semester.
Okay, so the first question is how the system identifies whether the person is valid or invalid.
Okay, for identifying a person whether he is valid or invalid, we use normally the technologies. So there are lots of technologies, we can use them. For example, we can use the barcode scanner. In the barcode scanner, just first we need to know how it works. It works in 4 or 5 phases. Like we need the barcode, the light reflection, the check code, and then last one the database. So first of all, when the person's either he can touch or the passes the code, and the machine reflection automatically search the check code inside, then it automatically compare the check code with the database, and if it matches, then they can easily find out that now it's okay and the person is valid. I can also use it to the shop, and the shopkeepers also use it to determine how many sold items we can sell in one a day. So this is the things, and the barcodes there are lots of variation in this barcode, and with the increasement of the technology, so we can use it more to find out the valid or invalid person or invalid things. That's it.
Okay, so the next question is, to set up barcode security system, what are the instruments do we need?
Okay, for setting up a barcode system, so we need mainly 3 parts. It's the illumination system, the sensor, and the decoder. So there are lots of more things to do. There is some readers also to set up. It's pen tape reader, laser scanner, camera based reader, the CCD reader, and the last one is omni detection barcode scanner. So together this we can easily set up a barcode scanner.
Okay, thank you. And the question number 2 is, previous technology means nanotechnology. So what was the technology that used before inventing the nanotechnology in the security field?
Okay, thank you for your question. Actually, nanotechnology is used nowadays in our everyday life throughout the world, everywhere. And previously they used the technology of magnetic devices to know the authenticity of the person or the product and other things regarding to the security issues. So basically, before the invention of nanotechnologies, they used magnetic devices.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is, what are the current technologies that use nowadays mostly in the security purpose?
Okay, the thing is, after the invention of nanotechnology, people nowadays in the security reason and other things using the biometric process to detect the people, even in the libraries or the shopkeepers and everywhere. People use to identify whether is there any intruder or other people with bad intention are there or not. So the biometric thing is used in the security purpose nowadays.
Okay, thank you. So the third question is, not everyone is perfect for using the technology. So who are those people that they are more qualified to use those technology?
Okay, yeah, not everyone is qualified for using technology because it's so much sophisticated. Yeah, we know that there is some simple version also, but the thing is, whenever someone wants to use the technology, he might need to be qualified and know how the things work. For guard house, the person who working in the guard house, the security person, they are well trained, and the administration person or the security person, they are well trained, so they know how to deal with, and they have already known about the technology. So we need to be more qualified to use the technology.
Okay, thank you. And the next question is, in this generation the technology is more updated, so in order to save the information, data or product, what do you think? What is the best way we can save our data and all other things?
Okay, next question. The thing is, with the enhancement of technology, with the enhancement of this era, the technology part is getting more sophisticated. So we need to think about the security, and for security part we can do a lot of things, like in our computers we use the antivirus. So there are lots of antivirus, so if someone wants to try to hack our devices, the antivirus we do not permit them. And also for our physical products or ourselves, we use CCTV in our house or in our shops, so it also can detect who the person wants to harm us, like them. And the third one, we can also for saving our saving our daily things or daily data, sorry, the data, we use the cloud storage. It's online storage, so we can use them to save our data. So we can use these things together to save our to secure and to save our data security and our data.
Okay, thank you. Nice answer. And moving on to the question 4. So, what is the high risk of using barcode to secure the circulation of the item?
The thing is, barcode has made the technology has made our life much more easier. So it is very efficient in time and other things. But the other part of this is, if the system doesn't work properly, it might create a great loss. Because, for instance, in the library system, they use the barcode scanner and they also have nano chips inside the books. So if accidentally that doesn't work at the real time, then if the user takes the book, it will not tell the system that the book is missing, so the thing will be lost. And other things, there are more important things, like nowadays we do a lot of online shopping and other things. So on the warehouse and other places, if the barcode scanner doesn't work properly, people has to do physical effort to enter the data, and there is a great chance of losing or making mistakes in the data entry. So it can cause in the parcel or courier service that late shipment, or even the product might not reach to the end customer.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now the next question is, how can we identify the criminal and catch the suspect around the campus by the modern technology?
Okay, the thing is, nowadays CCTV camera is used everywhere, not only in the campus, also in the shopping malls and offices, government, NGOs, and everywhere, because of the security purpose. It will record and also take the video of the scenario, and it will save in the hard disk drive. And also there are some CCTV cameras which will show the video and audio real time in the IP or network system. And so if anyone tries to do something wrong with bad intention, he will be caught red-handed, and also he will be careful, like he will eventually get caught by this, and this will help us to reduce the crimes inside the campus and also in other places.
Okay, thank you very much.